The topic is what is multiplexing. So, multiplexing is a technique used to combine and send the multiple data streams over the single medium. Means, see the diagram here. So, we are sending the multiple data lines. Okay, so these data lines are single passing through the single medium. Okay, passing these all data lines are passing through the single medium. Okay, so that is called as multiplexing is a technique used to combine and send multiple data streams, okay, over a single medium. Okay, the process of combining the data streams is known as multiplexing. The process of combining the data lines is called as multiplexing. So the hardware is used for multiplexing is known as multiplexer. Okay, so hardware which is used to passing the output lines, so that hardware is called as here multiplexer. Okay, so multiplexing is achieved by using the device is also called as multiplexer. So multiplexing that combine n input lines to generate a single output line. See here n input lines, these are the 1 2 3, so number of input lines. Okay, accepting the multiplexer, the multiplexer generating the only one output line. Okay, it takes the n input line and it produce only one output line. Okay, so it can follows the many to one relation. See here many, it takes a many number of input in n input lines. Okay, it can generate only one output line, means many to one. Okay, so it can take the n input lines and one output line. See once again, what is multiplexing? Multiplexing is nothing but, okay, the data lines, the input lines which are combining. Okay, it passes through the single medium. Okay, the input lines, what are the input lines, what are the multiple data streams over the single medium, okay, that are combining and passing through the single medium is called as multiplexing. So these multiplexing process is done by using the hardware that is called as multiplexer. So here we are taking the number of input lines by multiplexer, combining all input lines, it can generate only one output line, means it is many to one relationship. This here we can use the one single medium, that medium is called as here multiplexer. Okay, so this is the multiplexing. Why we are using the multiplexing? Okay, so the transmission medium is used to send the signal sender to receiver. The medium can only have the signal at a time. Okay, so we are using the transmission medium here. Okay, here transmission medium sending the signal from one sender to receiver. Okay, only we are using one signal at a time. We are sending one signal at a time. Okay, here multiplexer we are sending the signal only one signal at a time. Okay, if there are multiple signals are there, for example one signal at a time. Okay, if there are multiple signals, okay, so the multiple signals we have only one transmission medium. Here multiple signals are there, we have only one transmission medium. Okay, this transmission medium is divided into some portion of available bandwidth. For example, 10 signals are there. Here 10 signals are there. The bandwidth is 100. Means one signal sharing 10. Another signal sharing 10. Up to 10 signals sharing the 10, 10, 10. Okay. So bandwidth will be divided 10, 10, 10. Okay. When multiple signals share the common medium. Okay. At that time multiple signals sharing the common medium. Okay, so if you are sending the multiple signals in the common medium, there is a possibility to get the collision, but in the multiplexing concept we have to avoid the collision. Okay, so by using the multiplexing concept, Okay, we can avoid the such type of collisions. Okay, here transmission services are very expensive. Transmission services are very expensive. Then coming to next point, multiplexing technique widely used in telecommunication services, which are several telephone calls and carried through the signal wire. Okay, so these multiplexing concept mainly we are used in telecommunication services. Okay, see the diagram here. In this diagram we clearly explain n input lines are there. Okay, n input lines are there. So here multiplexer take the n input lines. It form a composite signal. It form a composite signal. That composite signal received by the demultiplexer. The demultiplexer convert the composite signal into n output lines. Convert the composite signal into n output lines. See carefully. Here multiplexer is there. Multiplexer taking the n input lines. It convert into the one composite signal. Okay, that is passed through the that can be passed through the one transmission medium. Okay, so after that the demultiplexer receive that the composite signal, then it will be again convert into the n output lines. After that it will send their destination. After that demultiplexer sending their destination. This is the multiplexing concept.